Hey, buddy. Let me ask you a question.
Yes, sir.
Who do you think you are to wear that bright orange hat here? Only one guy wears that hat.
Only 1.5.
The one and only Gary Wales.
Hey, hello.
I always say to know Gary's to love Gary. There's no one in the world like Gary Wales.
Thank you, brother.
He builds these at the house, and I consider it an honor for him to wear. Only two people have ever been given orange hats, Gary Wales and Alan Donath, for two different reasons. And it's an honor for you to wear that orange hat, Gary.
It's my honor. Even with that.
He builds these at his house with Andreas. Gary's known all over the world. Incredible man. And you're out here all the time.
I have to explain one thing about this coming in where I'm moving and talking. What the? First of all, the sun is like I've never seen before in my entire life. And that's a pretty good excuse. The other excuse is when I built this started off as a 4-door sedan. Old rusty thing, and I threw the body away, and I wanted to really do something cool, so I moved the engine back 18 inches and big long hood and got a 4.5-liter radiator and all that stuff. But I forgot one little thing.
That must be nice.
The cockpit, instead of this big, is this big, and I look like trying to get in and out of it. But I'll tell you, it's just a wonderful little car. I haven't driven it very much in the last few weeks. But, I love it.
It's great to see you out here, Gary.
Thank you.
Gary Wales, ladies and gentlemen, living legend. There's nobody like Gary. This is why we call it Supercar Sunday.